please don't get wet, please don't get wet. Anyway, guys, it's just rained and they're basically going here. Looks like the mud meadows have left. Oh no, they're still here. Where's that? Oh, those are spearing. Oh my god, that's the one time I didn't bring bait. I would love to take those home. I have a 20 gallon, I could use a school of them. Oh, mud meadows still here. They moved here though, instead of over there. Oh my god. Yeah, they all migrated here. It's like a pipe they all ran to. Got a trap on me. If I had any bait, I'd chuck it here, but no. I'll do it next week though when I'm back. So I'll be doing a video about that. It was raining like right before this, so I couldn't go. And at 3:30, I kind of just decided if I don't go out now, I'm not going out for the rest of the day. And that's the thing with being a teenager, guys. Dude, your time is limited. So take the moment, take your opportunities, and you better take it fast because it's gonna go away when you blink. But dude, honestly, it's so worth it. Look at this. Like, bro, half an hour ago I was doom scrolling, and now got this view. So I mean, bro, just close that screen, I guess. Get out there, and preferably get a bike, bro. It's my entire channel's name. I think you know why. But yeah. There's the ferry. There's the New York City ferry. I've had like a bad experience with them once and I was so angry. Like, I think there's this event at one of the islands, Lincoln Island. I don't know, I have to research that when I get back. But Lincoln Island. And we weren't sure because, you know, I've never taken a ferry. Me and my grandparents weren't sure to buy the tickets first. So when we checked, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get the tickets now. And then they literally just leave. And I'm like, bro, the next boat's in the same boat, by the way, is in an hour. And man, I was livid. But dude, life's kind of different. You know, after like a rainfall, it's like misting right now. It's beautiful. Hey, did I mention sunsets at 5 now? 5. Come on. I was freaking out last week. Like that hour shifted when you quote unquote got an hour back. No, you got robbed of an hour. That means you can't go outside after school anymore. And like effectively my fishing season got cut short. But I got a day off on Tuesday and hopefully we can go I can go fishing then and, you know, record a video. I love it when it's just like this. There's just no one around. It's like chill. And then, you know, I can speak to you guys. It's really not an excuse, but I'm just really uncomfortable when there's like people around me and then I'm like holding up a phone talking to myself, because that's literally what it is. I mean, if anybody's watching this, I'm talking to you. But to anyone else, not the right word to say, but alright, cut out. Second cut. I'm like just talking to myself. Check that out. It's like a kelp forest. I want some of that seaweed. Like the Asian seaweed snacks. I'm not actually gonna eat it, but let's see if I can collect some. Looks something like this. Let me get a couple of these for tank back home. be enough for now. I'll be taking this.